Did you know that people who look after their hair not even look 10 years younger, but live 10 years longer? Hello, my name is Elena and I'm 60-year-old. I dye my hair for the last 35 years every month. To help my hair to survive, I mix a mask which I apply onto my scalp. Every spring, I use this mask for a period of 2 to 3 months each time I wash my hair. You will see the ingredients I use on the screen and below the video. I will take 1 heaped tablespoon of mustard powder. The quality is very important, so get the powder the best you can find. I am going to add to it 1 tablespoon of hot but not boiling water and mix them together into paste. I will add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. The quality of the oil is again very important, so add good oil to it. And mix again everything together. Now we need to add 2 egg yolks and again mix everything together. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 10 drops of lemon juice. And obviously mix up everything together. That was the last ingredient. We will leave the mask on the side for 10 minutes and prepare what we need for applying it. What do we need for applying the mask? We need a mirror, we need our mask that stood aside for 10 minutes. We've got our hair brush and we've got, this is the brush that I use for applying the masks and hair dye, and I've been using it for the last 15 years or so. And the brand, I really like it because it's always a brush there and you can use it endlessly until it breaks, and it's nice and easy. Right, so you just need to buy once in your life a hair dye called Nice and Easy, and you will have this wonderful brush. Because of mustard, you can feel heat and burning sensation on the skin of your head. It is absolutely normal. Try to tolerate it for example, for 10 minutes to start with. Next time, increase it to 15, then 20. You have to have it for 30 minutes, this mask on your head. If it's burning you unbearably and you cannot tolerate it, just wash it off. And so, which means this mask is not for you. The more intense burning sensation, the better the mask. Now we need to put the hair cap on and keep it on our head for 30 minutes. After that, wash the mask off. Use your usual shampoo and hair conditioner. And ta-da! The mask is done. Please let me know what kind of masks you like. Do you like to make them yourself or to buy them? Please follow me on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube.